Ok, ya está. ¿Y ahora cómo quedó? Vamos a ver si funciona.
Hi, we're going to build a bicycle for my baby brother man. Welcome. Welcome to my channel, Krafty2Kids, and their needles. Except that I'm just the one who knows because I'm Lego. And what I know is that I know how to build things. Mommy,
¿Qué pasó?
look! There's no more pieces.
¿Eso todo?
Everything's done.
Ahí todavía hay una pieza.
Yeah, but this is the candle.
Ok.
Baby. Oh, it's going to take a screw out. Baby, all you gotta do is put it, baby. Good. How do we do this? Okay, we're moving on with that. Okay, anyway. We're going to take this out and one see.
Muy bien, good job. Okay, good job.
See.
Good job. Exacto, usas una mano y la otra no. Eso. Muy bien. Funciona perfecta. ¿Se la vas a ver a tu hermano ahora más tarde?
Yeah, but keep it table. We're going to slug it out. La la la. I'm strong.
A Yanni le va a gustar.
Yeah. Wait, it needs a helmet. Hold on. Magic for the friends! Yeah! Thank you for visiting my channel. See you next time. Bye bye. See you next time. But let's do a little spider. Ciao!